exactly what you would expect Oregon to be. There they go. We're going for a dip in the water. So these are some hard trails and I'm not that advanced. This is like my favorite thing, cooking, camping. Good morning. Last night I drove 13 hours non-stop through the night. I've literally never driven that long in my entire life. All right, we're all set up. It is cold. Good morning. I'm starting the morning off super strong. I smell chocolate milk all over the place. We got up early and we're going to somewhere an hour away to go dirt biking. In the mountain. So they're gonna be gone for like maybe 3 hours-ish, maybe 4. And I think we're just gonna find some hikes around here. Just chill by the water. I wish I was riding, but we only have 2 dirt bikes, so maybe later. But also these are some hard trails and I'm not that advanced. All right, they came back. I'm out of breath, I just ran. But me and my dad are now going for a dip in the water. Except it's gonna be cold. I'm not excited. I'm excited. All right. Tailgate grilling. This is like my favorite thing, cooking, camping, nature, are you kidding? All right, we found Kite Central. This is like prime spot for kiting. Just got done kiteboarding for a little bit. Had a good wind window. I went for the first time in like 2 years and I actually got up. So we're gonna go again tomorrow. So we made it back to the campground, but now we're heading to a concert in Portland. Found a local bar that has live music. It's pretty late and it's a Sunday though, so nothing's really open.
Cause the jobs are created.